Roberto Somekh. I work for Multiplan, landlord in Brazil. Well, we own and develop malls in the country. Our company was established 38 years ago. Today we are managing and operating 18 malls around the country, from south to the northeast of the country, and we have been working in several segments. Even our portfolio is much more well focused in the AB levels of consumers. Well, this market in Brazil have been growing a lot, even for luxury consumers. On the other hand, we are very confident and still investing. So soon we are going to launch other malls, even expansions in our own malls. And the market and the real estate there is performing quite well. Retailers are coming from outside to Brazil. They are looking for our country and for this market. And we are very confident that they are going to perform very well, because Brazilians are having the opportunity to receive brands that they were only able to achieve whenever they travel. So I think it's a good moment to find new retailers in Europe or in the United States, wherever. I like this question because I think this is really something very important in the movement of the country. First of all, next year, World Cup. It's a fantastic movement around several cities in the country. We are present with our malls in the majority of the cities, and we also know that it's going to have a very good impact. The consumers, the newcomers, and our international retailers are attracted by this. But more than that, we are also very, very strong in Rio de Janeiro. And in Rio de Janeiro, we are going to receive and to host the Olympic Games in 2016. So we are really prepared for this. We have there in Rio, in a district called Barra da Tijuca, that is the area that we are going to receive all these people for the Olympic Games. The majority of the games will be around this area. We have there a mall of 32 years. It's more than a mall. It's a complex that we call a mixed-use complex with 3 malls nowadays, medical center, entertainment centers, and one of these malls is focused only in differentiated brands and very luxury brands. It's a brand new mall inaugurated last year, and also a third one that is only for entertainment with restaurants, gourmet area, and around 18 movie screens. So we are confident that it's a good moment for the country to receive all these events. In reality, I think it's a very nice forum to be in touch with some potential retailers that are not yet ready to understand the country. So we can explain about Brazil, and then we can also show our portfolio that for sure is really, really attractive, considering several level of brands. I would say AB consumers and AAA consumers. So we are confident that we will find also here some good contacts for future. It's always like this. I would say that is very attractive for landlords to be here, because they will find, I would say, a lot of information about the market, competitors that are spread around Europe, Russia, Asia, and so on. This gives us also an idea of what competitors and competition are doing around the world. I think it's a very nice forum for us. I think this is the most important, the main reason maybe for us to be here, to be updated, understand what is happening in the competition in, I would say, huge markets and different markets, and also to be in touch with other retailers. I think it's a combination of finding good retailers, having a new relation with them, even we have several ones in our country already, and develop also a culture about what is happening in our market, in our competition abroad.